Have you ever watched someone stride into a room and instantly command attention, as if they flipped on an invisible spotlight? What if I told you that you possess that same switch, hidden in plain sight, in the two simplest words you speak every day, I am? Those words aren't just a filler in a sentence. They're a cosmic ignition key that can start the engine of your entire reality. Imagine unlocking a treasure chest of confidence, influence, and wealth with a phrase so basic you've probably overlooked it for your whole life. Today, we're going to dive deep into why I am is the missing link between where you are now and the life you've always dreamed of. By the time we're done, you'll have a clear, step-by-step roadmap for flipping that switch and keeping it turned on. If you've ever wondered how some people make success look effortless and abundance flow without constant struggle, stick with me. This is your invitation to step behind the curtain and claim the ultimate backstage pass to power, ready to transform your words into the magic wand you've been waiting for. Let's get started. The magic in 2 words. At first glance, I am might seem trivial, just the start of a sentence like I'm tired or I'm hungry. But hidden beneath those mundane statements is a blank canvas that your mind eagerly fills in. It's as if you hand your subconscious a paint palette and say, paint my reality however you like. When you utter I am, you're effectively planting a seed in the fertile soil of your psyche. That seed will sprout exactly what you water, most, be it confidence, creativity, fear, or frustration. Think back to when you first learned to read. Letters looked like meaningless symbols until you gave them sound and meaning. I am is the alphabet of self-creation. It ships with infinite potential, ready to be shaped by the beliefs and emotions you attach to it. If you consistently water seeds of self-doubt, weeds of insecurity will choke your garden. But when you plant and nurture seeds of abundance and self-belief, you cultivate a lush landscape of opportunity. Understanding this simple dynamic is the first step toward harnessing the extraordinary power hidden in those 2 words. Why words shape reality. For centuries, philosophers and psychologists have debated whether language reflects reality or creates it. Modern neuroscience settles the matter. Our brains don't just mirror the world like cameras, they actively construct our perception of it. Every word you speak sends electrical signals racing through neural pathways, strengthening certain networks while letting others fade. Imagine your mind as a sculptor's block of marble. Each affirmation chips away at the excess until the image you've described emerges before you. When you say I am overwhelmed, you're carving overwhelm into your daily experience. On the other hand, when you say I am capable, you're chiseling a statue of self-assurance. Over time, the repeated sculpting of thought and language transforms your inner landscape, and your outer world inevitably follows suit. It's the same principle that turns a whisper of doubt into chronic anxiety or a whisper of confidence into courageous action. Realizing the creative power of your words is like discovering a hidden superpower. Once you know you have it, you can't unknow it. And the best part, you don't need special equipment or permission to use it, just your voice and your attention. The divine spark within. Across every spiritual tradition from Vedic sages to Sufi mystics, there's a common teaching. Embedded within each person is a divine spark, an unconditioned consciousness that transcends time and circumstance. I am is more than a grammatical construction. It's the echoed name of that higher power residing in your core. Picture it like the secret chord that resonates throughout existence. Play it, and you align yourself with the universal symphony. This phrase bridges the finite self and the infinite whole, reminding you that you're not just a body shuffling through space, you're an expression of cosmic intelligence. When you recognize I am as your true essence, external setbacks lose their sting because you know your identity doesn't hinge on fleeting conditions. You become like a lighthouse, unmoved by stormy seas, rooted in the unshakable bedrock of your divine presence. By claiming I am, you tap into the same wellspring that fueled inventors, artists, and sages to create wonders. This isn't esoteric mumbo-jumbo. It's the most practical, empowering truth you can integrate into your daily life. Linking power and wealth. We often think of power and wealth as separate realms. One is about influence and leadership, the other about money and assets. But they're actually two expressions of the same underlying energy. Power is the creative force that moves ideas into form. Wealth is simply the material counterpart that flows when that creative force is unblocked. Imagine power as water behind a dam. Once you release it, the current can drive turbines to generate electricity or irrigate fields to produce a bountiful harvest. Wealth is like the energy and nourishment that result from that flow. By declaring "I am powerful," you're opening the floodgates for ideas, opportunities, and resources to rush toward you. When you affirm "I am wealthy," you align your mindset with abundance, signaling to life that you're ready to handle and multiply resources. These declarations act like GPS coordinates for the universe, guiding the channel of abundant energy to your doorstep. Power without direction fizzles out. Wealth without purpose can slip through your fingers. But when you wield both consciously anchored in "I am," you become an alchemist, able to transform potential into tangible success. The faucet analogy. Think of your inner energy as a vast underground reservoir, brimming with crystalline water. Every "I am" statement you make is akin to turning a faucet handle. When you say "I am stressed," you barely crack the valve, allowing only a trickle of potential joy and productivity. Conversely, when you affirm "I am abundant," you fling the handle wide open and let that life-giving flow surge forth. The water doesn't hesitate or question your worthiness. It simply responds to the openness of the valve. Over time, if you maintain that wide-open position, the reservoir naturally replenishes itself faster than you can use it, creating a sustainable wellspring of energy, creativity, and wealth. But if you continually tighten the valve with negative self-talk, like "I am unworthy" or "I am stuck," the flow diminishes, your reservoir dries up, and you struggle to meet even basic needs. By consciously monitoring and adjusting the pressure of your "I am" faucet throughout the day, you ensure a steady flow of positivity and potential. The faucet is in your hands. All you need to do is decide how freely you want your inner abundance to pour out. Step 1. Awareness is everything. Before you can change your "I am" statements, you first need to catch them in action. Think of your mind as a chatterbox roommate who never shuts up most of the time. You're so tuned out, you don't even realize what's being said. For the next 24 hours, become your own detective. Whenever a thought pops into your head or a phrase slips from your lips, ask, "What came right after 'I am'?" Grab a notebook or use your phone's voice memo to jot down each instance, whether it's "I am tired," "I am anxious," or "I am grateful." Seeing these patterns in black and white shines a flashlight on the self-limiting beliefs and disempowering loops that have been running on autopilot. Awareness isn't about judgment, it's about gathering data. Once you map out the landscape of your inner dialogue, you'll know exactly where to apply your creative brushstrokes. Like GPS that reveals traffic jams, this self-awareness lets you reroute your mind off the roads of doubt and onto highways of possibility. Remember, you can't fix what you don't first notice. Step 2. Declare with emotion. Swapping out negative "I am" statements for positive ones is just the beginning you need to infuse them with genuine feeling. Think of your affirmations as seeds and emotion as the fertilizer that helps them sprout. If you simply say, "I am confident" in a monotone voice while your heart is pounding with insecurity, the words won't take root. Instead, lean into the feeling. Close your eyes. Imagine yourself standing tall, chest open, basking in applause. Really taste that sense of achievement and security. Then speak your affirmation. "I am boldly stepping into every room like I own it," while channeling that bold feeling. By pairing words with emotion, you create a powerful neuro-emotional imprint in your brain, much like a laser engraving a design onto metal. This combination signals your subconscious, "This is not a wish. It's a reality I'm already living." Emotion acts like a supercharger. accelerating the transformation of belief into experience. Over time, your body and mind learn to respond automatically to those emotional affirmations, cementing a bold new identity. Step 3. Consistency over perfection. Nobody expects you to be flawless with your IAM practice. Think of it like learning a new language. You'll trip over words, mix up tenses, and feel awkward at first. What matters is daily repetition, not perfection. Commit to 3 affirmation checkpoints: morning, midday, and evening. Maybe you write your affirmations on sticky notes around your home, on the bathroom mirror, on your fridge, in your car so you can't escape them even if you tried. Or record them in your phone's reminder app, complete with an upbeat alarm tone that prompts you to speak from your heart. Consistency rewires your neural pathways, slowly dissolving old grooves of self-doubt and carving new highways of empowerment. Even if you only manage a quick 30-second affirmation session, it's better than letting the inner critic monopolize your mental space. Over weeks and months, you'll find your IAM statements slipping seamlessly into your natural speech and thought patterns, shifting your life one small repetition at a time. Remember, done is better than perfect. Pitfall: doubt's sneaky return. Doubt is like that uninvited guest who shows up at every party you try to ignore them, but they insist on making themselves heard. When an old belief like "I'm not good enough" surfaces, don't waste energy arguing with it. Instead, acknowledge it. There you are again. Then gently pivot to your chosen IAM statement: I am a creative force, or I am worthy of success. Think of it like using a TV remote. You don't wrestle with a bad channel. You simply click over to your favorite show. The key is to catch doubt early before it snowballs into a full-blown self-sabotage session. You might even give your doubts a funny name. Oh, Negative Nancy has arrived, so you can detach and disempower them with a bit of humor. Over time, the doubting voice will lose its volume and frequency because you'll refuse to lend it an audience. In its place, your affirmations will grow stronger, your confidence more resilient, and your inner spotlight will shine brighter than any shadow of doubt. Building a wealth mindset. Money is energy neutral, amoral, and indifferent to your judgments. How you frame your relationship with money determines whether it feels like a friend or a foe. If you've grown up thinking, "Rich people are greedy," or "I don't deserve wealth," your subconscious will erect barriers to keep money at arm's length. Flip the script by affirming, "I am a worthy steward of abundance, channeling prosperity for good." Notice how this reshapes your feelings around earning, spending, and investing. You'll find yourself spotting opportunities you used to overlook, like that freelance gig or that insider tip in a networking group, because your mind is now tuned to frequencies of possibility. Treat your affirmations like a new financial software update. Once installed, your internal algorithms automatically recommend choices aligned with growth rather than scarcity. Soon, you'll catch yourself negotiating better deals, saving strategically, and even giving generously, because you trust that more wealth is on its way. Building a wealth mindset isn't about greed. It's about aligning with the universal flow of resourcefulness and knowing you have a rightful place in that flow. Real life story, from garage sale to design maven. Let me introduce you to Rena, a friend who was running a modest weekend garage sale to clear out unused items. She'd spend Saturday mornings setting up folding tables, labeling knickknacks, and hoping for a trickle of visitors. Every night she'd sigh, "I am just a small-time seller," and her sales reflected that self-assessment. One evening, after watching a video on the power of IAM, she declared, "I am the premier lifestyle curator in my neighborhood." She imagined her humble sale transforming into an elegant pop-up showroom. The very next weekend, her stall featured tastefully arranged home accents with styled signage she'd made herself. Curious neighbors started asking for one-on-one design consultations. Within a month, Rena was freelance designing living rooms, kitchens, and even a calf mural, and her income quadrupled. Her shift in self-view rewired how she presented her services and how clients perceived her value. Today, Rena mentors other aspiring entrepreneurs, showing them that the true bottleneck isn't demand, it's our beliefs. By swapping I am small for I am significant, she opened doors she didn't even know existed. Her story proves that once you change your inner script, the world rushes in to meet you. Visualization. See it, then be it. Words are powerful, but when you add vivid mental imagery, you supercharge your affirmations. Close your eyes and paint a detailed picture. What does your ideal, abundant life look like? Feel the texture of that new car's leather seats. Hear the clink of a celebratory toast in your dream home. Smell the fresh morning coffee as you review your booming bank balance on your laptop. The brain doesn't distinguish sharply between real and vividly imagined experiences. It treats them as similar. By rehearsing your success in the theater of your mind, you create neural patterns akin to living it in real time. This mental movie primes your subconscious for action, aligning your thoughts and behaviors with the reality you've pictured. So next time you affirm, I am thriving, close your eyes and watch yourself thriving. Step into that scene and live it with all your senses. The more sensory detail you pack into your visualization, the more convincing it is to your inner software. Consistent mental rehearsals lay the groundwork for external results, turning imagination into blueprint and blueprint into bricks. Celebrating small wins. Too often we reserve celebration for massive milestones, a promotion, a jackpot paycheck, a headline-worthy achievement. But real change happens in micro moments. You replaced I am anxious with I am capable. You made a confident pitch in a meeting. You resisted the urge to self-deprecate. Celebrate these little victories like they're gold medals. Journaling 3 daily wins, no matter how small, feeds positive momentum. Maybe you smiled at a stranger, sent an overdue email, or simply caught negative self-talk and rewrote it. Each of these is a signal to your brain that you're making progress, reinforcing the I am statements you've chosen. Think of small celebrations as laying pebbles on the path. Over time, you'll look back and see you've built a paved road to success. Recognition also lights up your neural reward centers, making it more likely you'll repeat the empowering behaviors that led to those wins. By turning your focus to incremental growth, you keep the motivation high and the discouragement at bay. Remember, every big success is just a collection of small, consistent steps forward. Now it's your turn to flip the switch. Pick one I am statement that resonates deeply, something like I am a magnet for opportunity, or I am creating wealth with every breath. Write it down on a note card and place it on your desk. Speak it aloud with feeling first thing tomorrow morning, at midday, and before you sleep. Notice how your days begin to shift. New ideas will bubble up. Doors you thought closed will creak open, and your confidence will blossom. Drop your chosen I am affirmation in the comments below so we can cheer you on, and feel free to share any breakthroughs you experience. Remember, this journey isn't about forcing results. It's about aligning with the highest expression of who you truly are. As you harness the divine power of I am, you'll find that unlimited possibility and prosperity are not distant dreams, but your new normal. The light you seek has always been shining inside you, a wise teacher once said. By claiming I am, you illuminate the path ahead, banishing doubt and scarcity into the shadows. Keep those words alive, speak them, feel them, anchor them, and watch as your life transforms from a static scene into a dynamic, ever-unfolding masterpiece. Your I am is more than affirmation. It's your birthright, your operating system, your divine passport to boundless power and wealth. Embrace it fully, and the universe will join you in co-creating miracles.